Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is Magic Dovetails. Magic Dovetails is an 8 cubey put together puzzle where the object is to make a cube. And the puzzle was inspired by the work of Rogier Wolf and Peter Knoppers. They have been looking into these magic dovetails, and the magic dovetails, I hope you can see them a bit despite the light. You see a dovetail pointing down, up, and up. And of course, this is a magic dovetail because, how can this shape fit together? And how can it be that one dovetail is down, but 3 of the dovetails are up? Well, the answer to this question is, and let me show you this magical rotation that they came up with. And here we have the answer. Everything is put together with this funny rounded shape. And thanks to 3D printing, it is a fairly easy thing to make this. Just put them together, and here we have them again. But this is not a puzzle, so the question was how to turn this into a puzzle. So what I did was, here you see the puzzleized version. I made several prototypes, but then finally I made the one with these accents. So let me demonstrate you that version. And by the way, it also has magnets, so everything stays together, and it's the magnets that keep it together. But once you open it, then you see the inside, and we can slide it in even more pieces, and more, until we have 8 pieces. And you can see the magnets, and the magnets are placed in a way that's distracting. So even if though these pieces fit together, you can guess that the dovetails shouldn't be like this. Or maybe they should be. That is the challenge. So the puzzle is to put everything together into the box shape. So my question to you is about the 2 versions that I made. I made this version in one solid color, and obviously I could have also used 8 different colors, but this time I went for the brown accent to show what it looks like. So what do you think looks better? One with 8 different colors, or one with the accent? Thank you for watching.